Good day, my name is Rodrigo Larrota. This is my recipe. Meatballs of ground beef. Ingredients. For the meatballs, I need 500 grams of ground beef and 1 cup of water. Ingredients for the sauce. I need 1 tablespoon of oil, 1 minced garlic clove, 1 chopped onion, 1 cup ketchup and sauce. Preparation of a recipe. First, in the bowl, mix ground beef with water and spices. Then mix with your hands until combined. After, let rest for 5 minutes. Second, do the meatballs of 30 grams approximately. Third, for the sauce, heat a pot and fry it with oil, the onion and the garlic for 3 minutes. Then add the ketchup, the water and the meatballs. Finally, cook over medium heat for 10 minutes until they are cooked. In the end, enjoy. Thank you.